In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Vercel region. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard and how to set the best location for your functions to run, which can improve latency, help with compliance, and keep your users' experience snappy. First, open your browser and go to vercel.com. Sign in if you aren't already. This takes you to the dashboard where all your projects live. If you manage multiple teams or organizations, make sure you're in the right workspace so you're looking at the correct project. Next, find the project you want to update. Hover over it and click the three dots, the small More Options menu, next to the project's name. This menu is the quickest way to jump into management options for that specific project. If your window is narrow, the three dots might be tucked behind a compact layout, so widening the browser can help you spot them. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the project level settings page. You'll see a sidebar with different categories. Everything we need for regions lives under the area dedicated to your backend runtime, so that's where we're heading next. Click Functions in the Settings sidebar. This section controls how your serverless and edge functions behave, including memory, execution time, and, importantly, the regions where they run. If your app uses both traditional serverless functions and edge functions, you'll typically see controls for each. Focus on the part that matches the kind of functions you're using. Now select a function region and check the checkbox to enforce that choice. Use the drop-down to pick the location closest to your primary users or to the data store your functions call most often. Choosing a nearby region reduces round trips and can lower latency significantly. If you're working under data residency requirements, pick a region that aligns with those rules. The checkbox is there to confirm or lock in the selection, ensuring your functions run where you intend rather than automatically spreading or defaulting elsewhere. That's it. With the region selected and the checkbox enabled, Vercel will apply that configuration for your functions. Keep in mind, changes like this are typically forward-looking. If your traffic pattern changes or if your database moves to a different region, you can return to this same functions page and adjust the setting the same way. After making a change, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your application's response times and error logs to confirm the new location is performing as expected. You've just learned how to change the Vercel region for your project's functions quickly and confidently right from the dashboard.